Okay, children, we are going to discuss our second chapter, addition. Okay, addition is the chapter name. So, you know about the additions in previous classes. You learned the addition of small numbers. So, before discussing additions, you have to do one thing. What is that means? Write the addition tables in a notebook first. Just try to learn the addition tables. Okay, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4. These kind of tables are there. So read them. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 4 5, 1 plus 6 7. Like this. Try to write up to 1 plus 8 or 1 plus 9. Okay, 1 plus 8 9. Next 1 plus 9 10. So up to this enough. Next one, what do you do? 2 plus 1 3. Next 2 plus 2 4. In this way, first write this addition tables yourself. After writing that addition tables, what you have to do? You have to start our topic. Okay? All the children, after writing the tables only, start practicing this chapter, start doing the problems from this chapter. So just today we will discuss about the rewind exercise. Rewind means just we have to repeat what we have discussed in our previous class. So we are going to discuss about which exercise? Rewind exercise, which is in page number 25. Okay, open the textbooks and put page number 25 in the page number we have rewind exercise. In that first problem, add the following. Add the following. Okay, regroup if needed. Regroup if needed. So regroup means we will discuss about this afterwards. So regrouping by adding by regrouping is also there, but we will discuss about them afterwards. Just observe the small additions which are given in the exercise. The first question is 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. So what will be the answer? Just I said you to write which one table, which table? Addition table. If you write the 7 table, then you will get the answer. Otherwise, count like this. But 7 plus 9. So 7 plus 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. 7 is there. We have to add 9 to that. So this is 9. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 means what we are getting? 16 we are getting. Okay. This is the answer. 7 plus 9, 16. Next, B. If you don't know how to add by fingers, then otherwise you may try to draw the lines like this and after that add. Okay, but drawing like this is difficult to us, so that's why try to add directly by knowing the addition tables. Otherwise, try to add with your fingers. Next, B. What is B? 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. What is the value of 7 plus 6? 7, and we need to add 6. 6 more we have to add. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 means what we are getting? 13 we are getting. Okay. Next, C. What is C given here? 54 plus 69. 54 plus 69. These are single digit numbers, so we add it directly. If there is a number more than single digit, means a 2 digit number or a 3 digit number or a 4 digit number, whatever the number given here, how we have to add? How we have to add means, start the addition from the last digits. From the right side you have to start. Okay, this is our right side. From this we have to start. First one is what? 4 and then 4 plus 9. What is the value of 4 plus 9? 4 plus 9 means 9 already there. We have to add 4. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 plus 9 means what? 13. What we are getting? A 2-digit number we are getting. So when you get a 2-digit number, what you have to write? What you have to write means the last one is how much? 3. Write 3 here. Okay, 3 and 1 should be carried. Write 1 there. 4 plus 9, 13. 3 here and 1 carry. Next 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 how much? Again add. What you will get? 12. So the answer is how much? 123 is the answer for that. Okay, like this we have to add the numbers which are given in our book. So next D example is there. What are the 64 plus 39? 64 plus 39. How I said to add the 2-digit number? From the right side you should start and come to the left. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 means how much? Okay, 9 already there. We have to add 4. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. 13 means what we have to write? 3 here and 1 should carry. Next 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10. So what we are getting? 10. Okay, in this way carrying also you have to learn. First, before starting this exercise, what you will do? Take some problems by your own. Okay, write some problems with single digits and with 2 digits by your own. Practice them. After practicing the problems, then start the rewind exercise which is in our textbook. Okay, next E problem. What is E? 39 plus 72. 39 plus 72. So first from this side, 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 means what? 10, 11. So 9 plus 2, 11 means write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 you are getting. So the answer is 111. Next F. Okay. F is what? 700 plus 29. 700 plus 29. First we have to start from right. So what are the numbers? 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 means what you will get? Again 9 only. Whatever you add to 0, you will get the same answer. Example, 0 plus 3 is given. Then what you will get? 3 only. 0 plus 2 means what you will get? 2 only. So similarly, 0 plus 9, how much? 9. And next, second one what? 0 plus 2, what? 2. 7, 7 only. Okay. Next, do the remaining problems which are in the first bit. Okay. Okay, I will discuss another 3-digit number. What is the 3-digit number? It is I 429 plus 174. This problem is given. Okay, try to complete that problem. What? First one, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 means how much? 13. So 13 means 3 here, 1 should carry. Next, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 how much? 10 we will get. So here we got 10, directly we wrote 10. But here one more digit also there. That's why 10 means what? Write 0 here. Again 1 should carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 what? 6. So the answer is how much? 603 is the answer for that. Okay, children? Practice the addition problems by yourself. How you have to practice? Take some problems in your own. What example? 2 plus 6, and next 4 plus 7, and next 6 plus 8. Like this one digit problems also you have to take. Now after one digit problems, then take two digit numbers. 33 plus 52. What will be, we will get? And next 45 plus 23. What we will get? Like this, right side additions and solve them faster. After solving that, then start the exercise problems and do them. Okay.